Okay, welcome to another video. This time the world's greatest lunch. So let us to have a look at the ingredients. You see there, we've got the white bean, we've got the chicken leg, we've got the vegetable down here, we've got the chicken breast, tin tomatoes, ginger, red lentils, we've got more veg here, more veg here, more veg down here, and more veg down here. Right, I'm just going to move this vegetable to one side because I need the space for the most important cooking utensil. It's the big 5 litre cooking pot. And I'm going to start placing the food into the cooking pot. So we're going to go first with the ginger and put the ginger in. Okay, in goes the ginger. Alright, then I'm going to place in the red lentils next. In goes the red lentils. I'm going to place in, just bring you over onto this side to have a look. Next, I'm going to put in the white bean. In goes the white bean. All right. Next, I'm going to place in the hard vegetable, which is this one here. This one's quite a hard one, so I'll place that into the bottom. In she goes. Okay. And then next I'm going to place in the rest of the vegetable. The other order doesn't matter. I've got quite a hard vegetable over here. In she goes. Alright. And then another vegetable. In she goes. At this stage, the 5 litre pot, which we thought was going to be ample room for all of the ingredients, is starting to look a bit full, so you just sort of push that down as best you can, make a bit more room, because we've got more vegetable going in. Oh man, I missed some of the pot, never mind. They're starting to look quite full. So still got a few ingredients remaining. Tinned tomatoes, I think I'll put in now. The tinned tomatoes. Well, you can't see that now, you can see it. Tinned tomatoes. In she goes. At this point, I'm thinking, just let you have a little look there, I'm thinking putting the chicken drumsticks, so 1, 2, and a concertina them. Great. Give them a nice push down. There we go. Chicken drumsticks are in. And now I'm going to have to place in the chicken breast. Really hope this works. Not too bad. Okay, in goes the chicken breast. Just make sure that is secure. And it's looking a bit full, looking a bit on the full side. What I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer to the cooking vessel. Alright, so I'll just move that over there. That's there. Here comes the big pot. Can I do this with one hand? Probably not. I'll put that down there on my tripod. Ah, that is heavy. Into the cooking pot, and then I'm going to add a bit of flavour. Here comes the flavour. Not too much, I can't imagine this is too good for you. And then I'm going to pack on the final bit of the salad, because to be honest, the salad, this whole dish will sink down as it cooks, right? So it might look full now, but when it's cooked after 3 hours, it will it'll be much lower. So don't need to worry about that so much. Just got the final bit of soft salad on the top because this will get the minimum amount of heat. So it's really piled up now, a bit like the House Blowing Mountain, I suppose. And at this stage, do need to add a little bit of water. I mean, you don't have to, but I am going to. So a bit of water. I might add a little bit more. That'll probably do it, just about good enough. And then I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to turn it on for about 3 hours and 30 minutes on a slow cook. Put the lid on. There we go, lid is on. And so what makes that in my opinion, the world's greatest lunch is that will do a lot of lunches for a lot of people. So I don't need to cook again for a while. I don't need to concern myself with this pot. I don't need to do anything more. My cooking is done now for 3 or 4 days. And in terms of what I can eat this with, I can have potato, pasta or rice, no problem. That doesn't take any cooking at all. And I've got my vegetables and I've got my chicken in here, so jobs are good. And yeah, well done. Make sure you click on your notifications, make sure you like and subscribe, and if you've got any comments about your favorite lunch, then just put them in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.